This is my Twitter application. I refer to it as TwtMstr. Does several. It's got several features right now. First off, it's got some basic viewing of current user tweets. I've got the ability to manage more than one Twitter account. Right now, you can see that I've got 3 of my accounts set up in here. You'll see that I've got friends, so I can see what's the current timeline. What are my mentions? So where have I been mentioned at? My timeline, what have I put out? DMs that I've sent, and then the DMs to me. And that's fairly standard across Twitter clients. However, one thing that I've got that I think this is where pieces start to become interesting. I can go out and I can schedule. So right now, if I just put this out, I could put a reply out to Jack Harvey for this specific tweet, and I could put it out. Right now it's showing 4:01. I could put this out in the future, and I can the service will push that out at that time. Then also we got some other basic features. I could shorten URL, so if I've got a URL with 500 characters in it, it'll go through Bitly and will be shortened. I can also shorten text, so using some standard telephone text shortening verbiage, I can swap those items out. Then I've got the ability for users to work together in what I call teams. So if I've got myself and say I had John and Steve, we could work together. We could see what posts are coming up and what each of us have coming up, and then we can act on that accordingly. So for example, John's going to have a post coming up at 5 p.m. Well, I don't necessarily want to schedule something at 5 p.m. also. Maybe I want to send it out at 6 p.m. or maybe I want to send it out the next morning, so I can know what other members of my team are planning on posting. Obviously, I can't find what anyone in the application is planning on posting. I mean, that would be very insecure, but with the ability to see what members of my team, and I have to send them a request, they then say yay or nay. Once that's done, I can see what the other members of my team are doing. Then another thing that I've got some geographic search capabilities right now, so I can see, okay, what are people saying about Walmart in Marietta, and let's make this fairly large. Alright, so here are the last 50 entries that have the term Walmart in Marietta. Now, this would also be valuable if I wanted to email this to myself every morning, say at 8 a.m. or something like that. I can do that. I can create a saved search and do that. Then another thing that I've got that I actually is not up on the site right now is the ability to search based on a larger amount of criteria, and I can see what becomes hot. What's a very interesting term that becomes hot fairly quickly, so you can see, what are people talking about right now. Basically, could do that based on a region, so we could do that for Atlanta, Dallas, New York, Miami, whatever. Anyway, so I just want to show you this. I know that we've talked about it in the past, so hopefully you would be able to help us out some. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.